Hi guys, I finally have my PCBs from JLCPCB. I had them make me some prototype boards recently. This is my second order from them. So let's check out what's inside. Okay, so I have my 32 KB dev carts right here. I think I ordered 5. They gave me, oh no, I think I ordered 10. How many did they give me? Then I ordered some MBC5 flashcard boards that I designed using what was that? That I designed using dip trays. Traces are so small. I think I ordered 5 of these, so they gave me 2, 4, 6. They gave me 6. I distinctly remember ordering only 5. And I finally have my prototype, oh no, production boards for my MBC1 Logic Game Boy cart. I ordered 15, I think, so I don't know, maybe they gave me 16 or 18. So a closer look maybe later. Well, production was fast, shipping was fast since I chose DHL. If I had chosen a regular mail service, it would have been much cheaper, but they wouldn't arrive in 4 to 6 days. So this arrived 6 days. This is the 7th day actually since my order, but this is great. I've got some Game Boy carts to fiddle around with. So yes, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. I have my channel's name on these cards, on these boards I should say. I don't have any cases for them yet. Those are still in transit going here. So thanks for watching, and once again, enjoy.